Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that your iPhone supports wireless charging and which standard it uses, Qi or MagSafe, because that determines alignment and speed. Next, plug the wireless pad or MagSafe puck into a reliable wall adapter. Avoid low-power USB ports. Place the phone face up and align the charging area. On MagSafe, you'll feel magnetic snap. On Qi, center the back over the pad. Once done, watch for the charging indicator and a small vibration or sound confirming the session. Once charging begins, make sure your setup gives consistent power. Use an adequate adapter and a well-ventilated surface so heat can dissipate. If you see intermittent stops, slightly shift the phone to improve coil alignment or use a MagSafe compatible case. Check that no metal or cards sit between surfaces because they block charge and create heat. Also, enable optimized battery charging in settings so your iPhone learns your routine and slows charging past 80% to preserve. To finish, unplug or pick up your iPhone once charging is complete or when it reaches your target, and make sure to disconnect the charger from power if idle. If charging fails, first restart your phone and confirm the adapter and cable work with another device, because faulty power sources are common culprits. If problems persist, remove the case and try again to rule out interference. If you still have issues, swap chargers to isolate whether the pad or the phone needs service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.